Hey friends, we're back at SeaWorld Orlando for another Penguin Trek construction update. Let's go. Alright friends, the day has come. Sky Tower's finally reopened. Let's go take a ride.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. For the comfort and safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you. Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. As you take your ride up to a height of 300 feet, we thought it would be helpful to share some SeaWorld tips that might make your day even more enjoyable. For your own safety, please stay in your seats for the entire ride and no smoking and their habitats. Our teams are on call 24/7, 365 days a year, partnering with multiple government agencies and their habitats. Our teams are on call 24/7, 365 days a year, partnering with multiple government agencies, conservationists. SeaWorld Park hosts the most water slides in Orlando. This amazing park has been voted the #1 outdoor water park in the USA. Visit the information counter today to see how you can experience Discovery Cove and we are on a mission to protect marine life and the oceans they call home.
For those wondering about crowds the day before Thanksgiving, at least for the penguin encounter, very, very long line. We have the overflow open for it. They got rid of this extension for the fence. That means you can get a lot closer to the construction site. friends, that's going to do it from SeaWorld Orlando. As you saw, Sky Tower's finally reopened, which is awesome to see. And then over at the construction site, there's not a ton of progress, unfortunately. No new track has been added since the last update. In the last update, we didn't really talk about it, but they added the last turn leading back into the show building, which is really cool to see. And then they did add a new covering over Launch 1 to protect it. And they're doing a little bit of groundwork over by the restrooms in the old haunted house. But anyway, guys, if you like what you saw, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.